Hi everyone, welcome back. This incredibly moist honey cake is entirely made with honey. It's soft, tender, with just the right amount of sweetness, making it perfect for any occasion. It's also so easy to make with no complicated methods to follow. We'll start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8-inch round cake mold with melted butter and line the bottom with parchment paper. In a bowl, take 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder and whisk it well. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs until it's light and airy.
But you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, but I know we can solve them, 'cause everyone has gone home.
Add half a cup honey, half a cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and whisk until everything is well combined.
'Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over.
We'll also whisk in 1/4 cup hot water to thin out the consistency of the honey and enhance the flavor of the cake. Gradually add the flour mixture, beating just until combined. Do not overmix.
But I know we can solve them, 'cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, but I know we can solve them, 'cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care.
Pour the batter into the prepared pan, sprinkle with almond flakes. Dab the tin lightly on the counter to remove any large air bubbles. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan completely, then demold it.
On the floor from the night before, but when the sun comes up, you are still the one I want. Forget the mess we made.
While the cake was cooling, I made a honey syrup by adding 3 tablespoons honey and 3 tablespoons water to a saucepan.
What it's worth, you are still the one. Can't pretend.
Boil it over medium to low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat, let it cool down for 10 minutes. Poke some holes all across the surface of the cake using a skewer.
'Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it.
Pour the warm honey syrup and leave it for 15 minutes until the cake soaks up all the syrup.
But you still dance with me when the party is over. When the party is over. You are still the one. Can't pretend that you're not. So I won't. No, I won't.
Cut it into slices and enjoy this super moist cake with a scoop of ice cream and some extra honey as a dessert or as a midday treat alongside some tea. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know if you liked it. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.
But you still dance with me.